Do you think mutants only exist in sci-fi movies like X-Men or Marvel? The truth is, there are real people in the world with strange genetic mutations so unique that even scientists are left astonished. Some of them don't need sleep, don't feel pain, or even, don't have fingerprints. These mutations create unbelievable superpowers, and today, we're going to explore 7 of the strangest DNA traits ever recorded on this planet. Get ready to step into the world of extraordinary people, who are absolutely real. 1. Born without fingerprints, Adermatoglyphia. Did you know that some people are born without fingerprints? It's not due to burns, accidents, or abrasion, but because their genes never formed the typical ridge patterns on their fingertips while in the womb. This might seem like a small thing, but it actually causes major difficulties in modern life. Getting a passport, national ID, or completing any process requiring fingerprint scans becomes nearly impossible. There's a famous case of a woman in Switzerland who couldn't travel abroad because airport biometric scanners failed to recognize her. Security staff suspected her of using fake documents, even though she had all the valid paperwork. People with this condition are said to have Adermatoglyphia, an extremely rare mutation linked to the SMARCAD1 gene, which prevents the formation of fingerprint ridges. Despite this, individuals with the condition are completely healthy and function normally. They just lack a permanent mark of identification like most of us have. 2. No need for sleep, fatal familial insomnia and rare variants. Some people possess a rare genetic mutation that allows them to function with little or no sleep while maintaining good health and mental clarity. While most of us need 6 to 8 hours of sleep each night to recover, individuals with this gene variant may only need 2 to 4 hours, or almost none, and still operate normally. However, there's also a serious condition called fatal familial insomnia, FFI, an extremely rare hereditary disease that causes chronic insomnia and leads to death within a short time. On the other hand, some other gene variants reduce the need for sleep without causing harmful effects. These people are seen as having a real superpower, allowing them to use their time far more efficiently than the average person. Scientists are actively studying the genetics and long-term impacts of these rare mutations in hopes of applying this knowledge to future healthcare and medical advancements. 3. Inability to feel pain. Some people have a genetic mutation that prevents the brain from receiving pain signals from the body. This mutation is often linked to the SCN9A gene, which plays a key role in creating ion channels that transmit pain signals. When this gene malfunctions, the nerves fail to send pain messages to the brain. This might sound like an incredible superpower, never feeling pain from injuries, burns, or even broken bones. However, being unable to feel pain comes with serious risks. These individuals often don't realize when they're injured or infected, which can lead to untreated conditions and serious health issues. That's why they require special medical care and regular checkups to detect any hidden problems. Research into this genetic mutation is helping scientists better understand how pain works and may lead to more effective pain relief treatments in the future. 4. Superior memory, hyperthymesia. Hyperthymesia is an extremely rare mutation that allows individuals to recall every single day and event of their lives with astonishing accuracy, including tiny details like the weather, what they wore, or even how they felt at the time. To date, only a few dozen people in the world have been diagnosed with this condition. Unlike normal good memory, hyperthymesia isn't a result of training or learning, it's a natural ability tied to the brain's structure. Particularly the unusually active hippocampus, which is the memory storage center. While it may sound like a superpower, living with hyperthymesia isn't always pleasant. Many individuals report that they can't stop remembering, their old memories constantly return, causing emotional overload, fatigue, and in some cases, depression. Even so, hyperthymesia remains one of the most extraordinary mental abilities ever observed. And scientists continue to study why certain brains function like a living hard drive. 5. incredibly hard to gain weight despite eating a lot. Some people can eat freely, cakes, fried foods, sugary drinks every day, and still stay slim as if they ate nothing at all. The reason lies in a gene mutation affecting energy metabolism and fat storage, which helps them burn calories faster than normal. Genes such as CPT1A or variants in the ADRB3 region are involved. These genes help activate brown fat, a type of fat that burns energy instead of storing it. As a result, even with high food intake, these individuals don't easily gain weight. While it sounds like a dream for many, these individuals can also face challenges, trouble building muscle, nutrient imbalances, or being perceived as underweight despite having a healthy appetite. Research into these mutations is offering hope in the fight against obesity, diabetes, and improving metabolism for millions around the world. 6. Superhuman hearing, hyperacusis or overly sensitive neural genes. Some people are born with the ability to hear much softer, higher, or more distant sounds than the average person. This isn't just excellent hearing, it's a rare form of superhearing known as hyperacusis. Or it may result from a genetic mutation that causes the auditory nerves to become unusually sensitive. These individuals can detect things like electrical buzzing in walls, footsteps from a lower floor, or high-pitched sounds that others can't perceive. Instead of being an advantage, this ability often becomes a burden. Ordinary sounds like running water, passing cars, or public noise can trigger headaches, dizziness, or even panic attacks. Researchers believe that genes controlling neural proteins and signal transmission in the brain play a critical role. Understanding the mechanisms behind superhearing could one day lead to improved hearing aids or treatments for auditory sensitivity disorders. 7. Bodybuilder muscles without working out. Some people are born with a muscular physique, showing clear muscle definition as if they train in the gym daily, even though they've never lifted a weight. The reason lies in a rare genetic mutation affecting myostatin, a protein that regulates muscle growth. Normally, myostatin acts as a brake that limits excessive muscle production. But when this gene malfunctions, the inhibition is removed, allowing muscles to grow rapidly, even with little to no exercise. One well-known case involved a boy in Germany who was born with visible six-pack abs and defined arms. He was completely healthy and displayed exceptional strength for his age. This condition is currently being studied for potential medical applications, such as treating muscle atrophy, aiding injury recovery, and enhancing physical strength in people with congenital muscle weakness. The human body is a mysterious genetic treasure trove. These strange mutations are just a tiny glimpse into the millions of secrets our DNA silently holds. Which trait do you find the most fascinating? Leave a comment, and don't forget to follow the channel to keep exploring the wonders of science.